Hello guys, this is Piptera Digital Solutions. It's another week that we come here and we are going to share with you our trading ideas for this week, as well as making a review of our previous week trading ideas to see how they performed, how they did, and what happened. Did the market happen as we expected or not? So we shall see. So to start, we shall start with our three ideas from our previous week, and then from that we go to our three ideas for the next week. Okay, so in this week, I mean the coming week, we did the analysis on Euro, JPY, New Zealand USD, Euro, New Zealand dollar, and for the previous week we did on New Zealand USD, then we did on Euro, New Zealand dollar, and Swiss franc, Japanese yen. That was the analysis that we did on different pairs on the previous week and as well for the upcoming week. So without further ado, let's get started. So the previous week analysis was done on the 29th of June. So we shall focus on the pairs on that particular date. So let's start from the bottom here. We have the Swiss franc JPY. So let's see what was our expectations on this pair. Let's open the Swiss franc JPY weekly forecast. So as we can see, guys, let's read to find out what was our expectations on this Swiss franc JPY pair. So hello traders, welcome to the Swiss franc JPY weekly forecast. This week we are focusing on this pair, which has been displaying a very different range between its key support and resistance levels over the past week. As last week closed near the resistance zone, our primary expectation is for the price to retrace and retest the support zone. This anticipated pullback is crucial as it may provide a solid foundation for the price to rebound. Okay, so guys, that was the overview, the summary of what we expected for this trade. So you can go on TradingView and read all this for yourself. So let me go jump into the conclusion. See, in summary, our first perception on the Swiss franc JPY pair is to cautiously optimistic. Okay, with an initial pullback followed by potential upward momentum, traders should monitor these key levels close and adapt their strategy accordingly. So guys, our expectation was to see this pair continue to move up. So we have the resistance zone here and we have the support zone here. So we see that the price came in this range and then crossed here for the previous week, but for the week that was to come, we expect the price to come back to this support zone, then go back, hit the resistance zone, drop down, break above the resistance zone, and then find support on the resistance zone and continue to go up. So let's see what happened on this pair. So guys, here we go. So what the price did fall to find support around this support zone as we expected. So the price did obey our expectation. Then it came back to the resistance zone, as we said that on this leg here we expected the price to come back and retest this resistance zone, and then come halfway to this level here, and then continue to go up. So what the price did here, it did exactly what we expected. The price came to this resistance zone and then dropped halfway as we expected, guys, somewhere around here, and then continued to go up, dropped a little bit, and then broke above the resistance zone as we expected, and it closed up there. So you see, guys, you see what the price did. So we expect the price to break above this resistance zone, find support near this resistance zone, and then break above the resistance zone. So that's what the price did. Here the price came, broke above this resistance zone, came back, find support at this the resistance zone, and closed above the resistance zone as we expected. So that is what happened for Swiss franc Japanese yen, guys. Thank you. Let's go to the other forecast. So the second one was Euro New Zealand dollar. Let's see what was our expectation. Our expectations on this one was we saw that the price has been moving up on that week, and it closed in a bullish continuation phase. So we expected the price to continue moving up after breaking the resistance zone above. So as you can see, guys, we anticipated that this price will move downward a little bit and then go to retest this resistance zone, then drop back halfway and then break above the resistance zone and find support on the resistance zone and close fairly above the resistance zone. So let's dive in and see what happened. Hey guys, there we go. So what the price did here, the price moved upward until it broke above the resistance zone, conforming to our expectation or forecast. Though it didn't drop after hitting the resistance zone halfway, but it continued to go in the way that we forecasted, guys, as you can see. Then after that, after breaking above here, as we expected the price to do, the price support on the resistance zone, moved up and then break below the resistance zone. So that's what the price did, guys. Yeah. So let's go to the another one. 29 June. Yes, this is the 29 June here. So what pair was this? It was the New Zealand USD. So let's go, guys. Our expectations on this one. So here we call this minor here we call it minor resistance. This minor resistance, okay, as you can see. So what we expected here, we expect the price to open somewhere here and then go find resistance here, drop to the major support zone, and then rebound from the major support zone to this minor resistance zone, drop below to the support zone, then break below to the support zone and close fair below the support zone. So guys, without further ado, let's see what happened. Yes, so this is what happened, guys. So we expected the price to come back here, up here on this minor resistance zone and drop to this support zone. That's what exactly the price did, guys, as you can see. And then from there, we expected the price to move up and come to retest this the second minor resistance zone here. That's what the price did, guys, exactly what you expected. So after that, we expected the price to break below the support zone, but it didn't. It continued to go up and it crossed above, fair above the resistance zone. So if someone decided to open a sell trade here, we would have profited. And if someone decided to open a buy trade after the price hit this level, according to expectation, you would have also make a nice profit, as you can see here. So guys, let's go to was this the last one? Yes, I think for the previous week. So I think we have to go for this week now. What is our expectation, our forecast on this week? So we have chosen 3 pairs to talk about, or to have a forecast for the coming week. So we have the Euro JPY, we have the New Zealand dollar USD, and we have the Euro New Zealand dollar. So let's start with the bottom one, which is Euro New Zealand dollar weekly forecast and analysis. Yeah, so this is our expectation, guys, on this Euro weekly forecast and analysis. So we choose to remain long on this one. So expectation is to see this price bouncing from this minor support zone, move fell up to this kind of resistance zone, then find support here, and then continue to the to retest this resistance zone up here, and then drop halfway, and then break above the resistance zone, and then drop back to close fair above the resistance zone. So that's is our forecast on New Zealand dollar for the next week, guys. Yeah, the next pair will be the New Zealand USD. Let's go. Our expectations, guys, on New Zealand USD weekly forecast is to see the price dropping after hitting the resistance zone, to drop back to the minor support zone, and then fair range between the major resistance zone and the minor support zone, and then break above the resistance zone and find support on this resistance zone, and continue to go up, then close fell above this resistance zone. That is our expectation for the next week, guys, on this pair. Let's go to the last pair. The last pair will be the Euro JPY. So guys, our expectations for Euro JPY is to see this price crossing above the resistance zone, and then we expect a deep price correction. Yeah, we expect the price to fall deeply to this, then break above this minor support up to the major support zone, and then in the middle of the week, we expect the price to move up. Yeah, we expect the price to continue moving up after this deep correction, guy. That's our expectation for Euro JPY for the next week. So do you have any view on this pair? If you want to learn more or have a deep knowledge and details about this analysis and forecast, guys, just check in the link below. Use the link below and join our trading view channel, so that you can see whenever we post this kind of weekly forecast, guys. So if it's your first time joining this channel, please, guys, go like the video, subscribe, and share. Hope you will find the content helpful to you and your friends. Thank you for watching.